Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And yes, it's Muyo Ebilichuki here. And we're just gonna prime. So that is my primer and moisturizer, and we're gonna spread our face. We're feeling like we're glowing. And remember to always moisturize your lips to keep them glossy. Now we're going to the Zigel in 020 and then the darker one. I'm using the darker shade to correct the spots, and then I will blend that in. Normal procedure, you should know this by now. And then I will go afterwards with the 020. I think that should be almond, or I'm not sure, but I'll list the products down below in the description box. Like, I was feeling this foundation so much, like you guys can see. Like, I usually use Zickel, yes, but like I've always wanted to use this Even True. I never got it in my shade. I really love it. See the baby girl. It's a baby girl for life. Okay. Don't mind me. I was doing like adverts, that kind of thing. So I'm using the Ferrero Rocher concealer, and I'm telling you that I love you. Yes, you. Mwah. Okay, now this is the short form of my blending. Like, the highlights, because I didn't do the video for you guys in the other one. I like blending out the outer part first. Reason being that once I blend that out first, it will give me control. You can see how that one goes into the skin seamlessly. Like, it just helps you know where to stop blending. You know that there's sometimes when you put concealer and then it's just supposed to be under your eyes, and the next thing you just see that it goes to, like, you applied concealer all over your face. It's not supposed to be like that. And then I go back in with a brush, or sometimes I still use the beauty blender, but I just make sure that it never passes that line that I have already blended. Hope you understand my anglais, my English, my explanation. Hope you understand it. But any questions you have, feel free to ask me down in the comment section below. Okay. And yeah. So, and I always use the bum of the booty blender to dust away, to blend in anything I don't want. So yeah, that was real fast. I used the H&E to do my brows, and now I'm going into the white concealer to set as my base for my eyeshadow. I'm going into the Morphe palette, and we're picking that purple shade, and we're going to start with that. That is the transition color, but it's not exactly the first one. After this one, I'm going to go in with like a pink, reddish pink color. Yes. But this, I started with this first, and we're going the tapping motion. I don't know, I just really feel like the tapping motion brings out more product for me. That's what I feel. And like I said, we're blending that with the pinkish reddish pinkish. Whoa, I don't know color. And like I said, we keep building up. We don't just go straight. You can see I keep dusting it off every time I pick it up. So yeah, blending is key, and bit by bit is key. So I'm going to be playing with this purple. That's the darker purple, and the deep blue. So right now I'm just using the darker purple for the outer corner. And then afterwards I will go in with that blue, that deep blue. I just want it to be really intense. And always remember to blend. Remember to blend every time. I'm not just going to, yes, and now I'm blending. Okay, so we begin to draw the clouds. I was really scared. This is not my first try. I tried this thing, like, I think last year when it was raining, but I couldn't just see the picture in my head. So like, I gave up. But here I was determined to do it. So I just basically picked a flat brush, but not a totally flat brush, a curved brush. And I just kept placing it, and it kind of formed that cloudy bump, I guess. And then I filled the rest up. And I began to shade in more into the white to kind of blend it. And I went in with a white eyeshadow just to set it. And I'm going back in with the purple and the blue. That's what I'm going back in with. Okay, now we're trying to draw star. My dear, that's how star do. I would advise anybody that's trying to do this to go with a liquid white liner, not like a concealer type, because sometimes it was really picking up the color. And here I'm just putting tom, just dots to act as little stars. It gives the illusion, so don't be too worried, okay? You'll be fine. Trust me, if you try to do this, you'll be fine. Just give it just dot here, dot there. I think I did too much, but you know, if I don't do too much, it's not Muyo. Okay, so now I was trying to draw. What was I trying to draw? I was trying to draw like the shadow of maybe mountains or something. Do you understand? So I used a black gel liner here, and let me tell you something. I finished that gel liner. I finished that gel liner on this look. I totally finished it. And honestly, I don't even think I needed to do these curves, because at the end of the day, I think it kind of straightened up and it still looked really good. So basically, I'm just drawing the outline and then filling in the space, or let me say painting in the space. Okay, now so we're going into, basically I used the blue and the purple, the mixture. In real life, the demarcation showed, but like in the video, I don't think it showed. Anyway, you can just mix it. I just like the way the colors are. So the same purple and blue I just used that there. Okay, we're trying to create a sky. Now, for the same way we did the clouds and the eye, we're going to try to do them in the sky underneath our nose, if that makes sense. So, but this time, instead of going like, how will I say, instead of just placing the brush, we have to make it look more realistic, because all clouds don't have the same shape, they don't form the same way. So I just had to try to make an illusion of the clouds, and afterwards I had outlined it with a black gel liner to just make it pop. And I love the fact that I did that, although it was really scary, and I was beginning to see double as I was drawing by the side of my cheek, because honey, I respect creators like MUAs that are very creative. I respect you guys, or let's say I respect us. Okay, so now I'm shading in some part of the blue and some part of the purple, not because I've seen clouds that are this color, but sometimes the sky kind of reflects on it and it gives this kind of illusion. So I was trying to do that, and I felt like if I only drew clouds by the side, it would look quite empty. So I decided to draw a moon, or will I call it a crescent, or a moon, or a semicircle, whatever. So as you can see, it's picking up the color, and instead of it being plain white, it's kind of looking like bluish. So after I drew it, I was like, you know what, let's just make this thing a little perfect, you know. So I decided to go in with glitters. I go in with glitters after I fill in this space. Okay, I put those gems, and then I'm going with the Isokens glitters. I love this glitter. These are my best silver glitters. I never use it anyhow. So we're going in with eyelash glue, the transparent one, and after that we're going to put the glitters. And I decided to put the glitters too on my cheek, because I was like, it's a starry night. We're supposed to star. We're supposed to glow. You know what I mean? And then I put that in the corner of my eyes too, you know, just to give a little pop. And that's my highlights. Okay, guys.
Greatness. NigerFlavor.com. Skip it.
Jason on the beat.
In the whip. Everything just litty. Ice on my neck, ice on my wrist, you know. That's how I do. If you ain't talking money, please don't call me for a show. That's how I do. 10 million for a show. That's how I do. Never to be caught up.